Hey, Grandpa, can you tell me one thing? Why should we learn vocabulary?
Sure, why not? Learning new vocabulary is very important for your English speaking. If you don't know words, how can you speak? At the same time, if you know multiple words, it would be easier for you to express yourself. Like, if you don't have the ingredients, how can you cook? It is just not possible.
Well, Grandpa, but I memorized new words after a few days. Why do I forget?
Oh, well, this is because the way you practice it's wrong. Let me tell you the correct to learn vocabulary. Okay.
Sure. Why not? I am excited to know about that.
It's really simple. All you have to do is make a sentence when you are going to learn a new word. It is a really effective way to learn vocabulary for a longer time in your memory. If possible, try to make lots of sentences.
Wow, I never thought about this idea. It's brilliant and amazing. It would be great if you could help me to practice vocabulary with sentences. I will tell you the vocabulary and then you have to convert it to English sentence.
Okay, I will try my best. Let's see.
The first word is desire.
First, she has a strong desire to travel the world. People have many desires throughout their lives. They have a desire to have children. I have no desire to stay here. He has expressed a desire to see you.
Brilliant, thanks. The next word is assist.
Can you assist me with this task? I'm sorry I can't assist you. We are always willing to assist you. He greatly assisted her mother. After the surgery, his desire for success motivated him to work hard.
The word is aspects.
If you're discussing a complex issue or problem, you might consider its various aspects, such as its social, economic, climate and weather affect every aspect of our lives. You can always improve in different aspects. There are two aspects to this problem. He was interested in all aspects of the work here.
The next word is offensive.
I didn't find it offensive, so at least they found one offensive tool during the raid. They had only one player behind the three more offensive players. We must respect their traditions no matter how offensive they are. His behaviour was offensive.
Well, next word, insist.
I will not insist. I will just make a request. He insists on speaking to you personally. I insist on eating properly. We insist on quality, not quantity. David insisted on me checking the result.
Thanks. Another word is except.
There was no one in the room except you. Nothing more to do now except wait. There was nothing in the freeze except a banana. Everyone was invited to the party except me. I eat everything except tomatoes.
Thank you so much. I have enjoyed learning new words. Can you please teach me more words like this?
Yes, but if our audiences like our videos, we can make more videos. They can tell us by the comment on the video.
If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.